Welcome to Nursing-Related Philippine Jurisprudence, written and narrated by John Igor Tigalinato. This next case is captioned Victoria Batiquin versus Court of Appeals et al., GR number 118231, promulgated July 5, 1996. Facts. In this case, Mrs. Flotilde Villegas underwent cesarean section at Negros Oriental Provincial Hospital. The procedure was done by Dr. Victoria Batiquin. After the child was delivered and the cesarean section done, the patient experienced abdominal pain, fever, and loss of appetite. When the patient had herself examined by another doctor, Dr. Ko, the doctor found infection inside her abdominal cavity, causing ovarian cysts in her left and right ovaries. The examining doctor found that the infection was caused by a piece of rubber glove left inside her uterus, specifically a torn scratch of surgeon's gloves. This was what caused the infection of the ovaries and the discomfort. The regional trial court ruled in favor of Dr. Batiquin, absolving her because the examining doctor, Dr. Ko, wasn't able to present the torn piece of rubber glove, apparently having disposed of it. The RTC was reversed by the Court of Appeals. The Court of Appeals found Dr. Batiquin liable. The Court of Appeals gave credence to Dr. Ko's positive testimony to establish that the piece of rubber glove was found near the private respondent Villegas' uterus. The issue in this case is whether or not Dr. Batiquin is liable. The Supreme Court ruled yes and agreed with the Court of Appeals. The High Court stated that even if we were to doubt Dr. Ko as to what she said, as to what she did to the piece of rubber glove, i.e. whether she threw it away or sent it to Cebu City, we are not justified in distrusting her as to her recovery of a piece of rubber from private respondent Villegas' abdomen. Well settled is the rule that positive testimony is stronger than negative testimony. The doctrine of res ipsa loquitur was also applied in this case. The elements are all present. The injury would not have occurred unless someone made a mistake. The instrument which caused the injury was under the exclusive control of the respondent, and that the injured person could not have contributed to her own injury. Through her tortuous conduct, the petitioner endangered the life of Flotilde Villegas in violation of her profession's rigid ethical code and in contravention of the legal standards set forth for professionals in general and members of the medical profession in particular.